What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here. Today we're going to take a look at the oEdRo LED pod light. Alright, so first impression, this light looks really sturdy, really well built. It has this little adjustment bolt here. So you can adjust it up and down on this track to fit whatever needs you have. You have 3 rows by 3 rows of LEDs. Now, one feature I find really cool about this light is behind each of the side panels there's a silicone shield, so you're really not going to get any water at all in there. One thing I do see is there's this little tiny chip back here that just could have been from shipping, chipping the coating. But that's not a game changer, it's just one little minor imperfection. You got a nice seal at the bottom here, so where the wires go in, it's got a little rubber plug, so you're not going to get any water or debris in there. It does seem like it's sealed pretty well. The only spot that I could see anything possibly getting in is up in here. These bolts just go down in, and it looks like it goes into the sitting on the glass. So I know there's like a seal right underneath there, but it'd be nice to see a seal all the way across this lip, so you have no way of anything getting in under here. I think it'll be fine, but
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God